Hey, good afternoon, folks. Welcome to Peatball's shop. I got just a real little something here to show you. I needed to work on a car today, and I needed to splice into a hot wire. And I ordered me a set of these right here. You got your red ones, your blue ones, your yellow ones. So you got your different size wires. You know, the yellow's 12 to 10, and 18 to 14 here, and 22 to 18 over on the red. So what they do is I found me a hot wire, you know, underneath my dash, and you take you one of these and you clamp around that wire, and it splices into it. And when you splice into that wire, let's see if I can. I'm gonna try to do this a different way here. Let me kind of demo this thing here. So this will be going to my accessory. I'm trying to get some hot wire too. This will be the wire running on the dash. It's already got power on it. And I'll try these pliers right here. So I'm going to reach under there and I'm going to find that wire, and I'm going to put that clamp around him and squeeze. And there he goes. He's locked in. He's locked in on the top. He's not going anywhere. So now I'm supposed to be able to take this blue one, which I put the other in this one. I'm supposed to be able to slip it over here on that right there and let that thing go up inside there, just like that. Okay. So now I'm tapped into that hot wire. But is it working? That's my question. Does it work? Let's strip off a little of this wire right here, and we'll get my fluke meter out. My brand new, never before used fluke meter. And alright, so that's what I'm checking for. We got a little beep going there. So here's my hot wire. And here's the wire I spliced in. And I didn't do something right because I don't have power. Alright, I did it right. It's just when I plugged this in there, the blade went on the outside of the plastic and I didn't see it. So you got to make sure you get in that little slot right there. Plug her in there really good, and you're tapped. And just to show you, this is where I'm looking to get power from, and this is where my source. Hoping you can hear that beep. It's working. And that's what these splices do. Allow you just real quick and easy tap into another wire, ground wire, hot wire, whatever you got there. And like I said, comes in 3 different sizes. Hey, it's just something I ordered for me. I thought I'd share it with y'all because it's going to work well for me. If it works well for me, I know it'll work well for y'all. Y'all give this thing a look. 120-piece splice wire terminals. I don't even know the brand, but I'll leave a link in the description for you. Meantime, y'all have a blessed day.